In today's video, we're going to be looking at download delivery optimization in Windows 10. To get this up, all we need to do is search delivery, and it will come up with the advanced settings, and from here we can limit the bandwidth which we share between our devices, because what delivery optimization allows us to do is, if we have another user of Windows 10 on our network, we can download things off of their computer rather than the servers that it's stored on, for a quicker and more optimized download if they already have it installed. I would not recommend using this on a public network, however on a work network or home network you should be okay. From here we can also access our advanced options, which we've talked about with our bandwidth, and we can also access our activity monitor, which will show you what you've downloaded from Microsoft servers and PCs on your local network and internet too. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.